The river flows from the source to the ocean. Every being arrives spontaneously in the world, endlessly moving on a river of continuous change. The currents of the river become gentle as we stop clinging, grasping, and holding on. Within this lifetime, each being may learn to open to the flow of the present moment. This river of the eternal now. The great perfection, vast and limitless. Luang Prabang has been largely untouched by war or the neglects of time. This sleepy Shangri-La in the Mekong River Valley was long the royal capital of Laos and its spiritual center. Wat Giang Thang was built for the king in 1560. This temple complex remained under royal patronage for more than 400 years, until the kingdom ended in 1975. The temple's low overlapping roofs sweep skyward. This blending of the simple and the complex is a revelation of the sacred architecture of Luang Prabang. On the east wall of the temple is a giant glass mosaic of the Tree of Life. This variety of mere mosaics is unique to Luang Prabang. Sparkling reflections of ambient light. These golden bas-reliefs are on the sides of a funereal temple containing some of the ashes of former Lao kings and queens. The gilded panels portray scenes from the Hindu Ramayana, which is ever present throughout Southeast Asia. Here, we see the main players of this Indian epic, dwelling in the afterlife. Arising out of the consuming flames, we see Rama, Sita, Hanuman, and other members of this cosmic Leela, or divine play. There is a remarkably serene quality to the awakened faces. The half-opened eyes show an ecstatic reverie. Their postures display an ease of beatific sensuousness. This work is a celebration of divine love and redemption over death and loss.